Hi everyone, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Alexandria Pierce. I am the manager of the Enbridge Tour Alberta for Cancer, and I am happy to go over how to personalize your fundraising page, which is the first step to fundraising success. Now, the first step to personalize your page is to get to your fundraising page. Now, when you registered, you would have received a welcome email from either Kirsten or Christine. And in that welcome email, there should be your personal fundraising page link. Now, if you can't find that email, not to worry. You can go directly to our website, which you can see at the top of my screen here. It is 2025.touralbertaforcancer.ca. Once you get there, it's going to look like this, and you are going to click the search button here at the top right hand of the screen. It is going to bring you to another page, and we're going to click that search button one more time. And then it's going to load the search bar. Now, I already have my fundraising page all updated. So today we are going to help Crystal Clemens, our director of the Enbridge Tour Alberta for Cancer and Community Events, out personalize her page. So you're going to search your name. So there we have Crystal. Now, as you can see, Crystal already has a photo uploaded, but I think we can swap that out for something a little bit more flattering. So you're going to click the sign in button at the top right. You're going to put in your email that you registered with, then the next button. Now, the password. If you do not remember your password or do not remember setting your password, you can click the Forgot Password button here, and Classy, the people who administer our site, will resend you a link to reset that password. Now, if you were registered with us in the past, it should be your previous password that you used. But if you're a new rider, you will need to set it. If you do have any issues with this at all, please just reach out to myself, Christine, or Kirsten, and we're happy to help. So we're going to put in our password and click sign in. And then this manage button is going to appear. So you need to click the manage button to get onto the back end of your fundraising page. Now, on the Overview tab, this is going to show you all of the suggestions to personalize your page, but I'm going to go right over to the Details tab. And we're going to upload a new photo for Crystal. So we're going to click Upload. We're going to browse our library. I already have it saved on my computer. Saved a few photos for her. There we go. We're going to click the Insert button, and then we're going to be able to move this around and adjust how we'd like the photo to be displayed. I think she looks great there. Perfect. Much better. Now, if you scroll down and that's all you want to change, you're going to click the Save Changes button. If you're getting an error message, it is typically because you need a page headline put in there. Now, Crystal looks like she put that she's going to pledge for every $500 donation, she's going to dye her eyebrows the color of the donor's choice. And if she hits $10,000 by the end of November, which has passed, she pledges to shave them off. So let's help Crystal out here because November has passed and that's not going to help her. So let's say by the end of June. And then we can update her goal, which is obviously $10,000. There. Now you can also personalize your URL, but I do want you to be cautious when personalizing it As you can see at the top here in Crystal's URL, this is actually her personal participant number. So this is one of the easiest ways for you guys to find that number, else me and my team will have to pull that for you. So if you personalize it, you will be getting rid of your personal fundraising number. So just be careful of that. So we have her name. You can also adjust that, but again, be careful of doing that. You want your donors to be able to easily find you. We have her headline. Hopefully she's okay with that. We put in a new goal for her, and we're just gonna leave her URL as is, and then we can click Save Changes. So that's all of the Details tab. Now we are going to go over to the Story tab. And this is where you are going to let your donors know why you are participating in this event. Why did you register? Why did you embark on this journey? Your donors are more inclined to donate when they know why it's important to you. So maybe you have a personal connection to cancer. Maybe someone you know is currently going through treatments, or someone you love has passed away from cancer. Maybe you yourself have gone through cancer treatments, or maybe you just love cycling and you want to be part of the event, or maybe you just want to give back to the community, or maybe you're inspired by a story that you've heard. Maybe you sat in one of our orientations. Whatever it is, let your donors know why it's important to you. Now you can also, with your story, upload an image, you can upload a video, you can insert another link, and then you can change your font as well. And then after you've done that, we highly encourage you to add updates along the journey. So let your donors know, hey, I've reached this fundraising milestone goal. Help me get to my next one. Or maybe let them know that you're hosting a fundraising event. You'd love for them to come. Post photos of the different initiatives. Maybe you dyed your eyebrows a different color because someone donated you $500. Whatever it is, let them know. Add updates. Maybe you conquered your first training ride. You can go create new, add a title, and add your update in here. And then again, you can personalize your fonts, upload an image, a video, or a new link. And then make sure to always hit that publish button. And this is going to share with your donors. Now, these other two tabs, so the donations tab, this is going to go over all of the donations that you had thus far, who your donors were, and the amount of the donation. It's going to help you keep track of everything. Looks like Crystal still needs her first donation. So good thing that we are personalizing this for her so it is ready to be sent out to her network. And then in the emails tab, so these are just suggested emails that you can send to your donors. So there are two suggestions. One is ask for donations and the other is thank your donors. I highly recommend you send a personalized thank you to every single donor that contributes to your fundraising page. So if you click that one, then you're going to scroll down. This is a suggested email that you can send, so you can copy that message and then you can email it to them from your personal email. It is not able to send an email through the Classy site. So that is it. Oh, don't forget to share. So you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, or copy your link here. So you have that. That will have your personal fundraising page link. Send it out on LinkedIn, send it out on emails, text message, whatever you're most comfortable with. Do note that most donors do appreciate a personalized ask over everything. And that's the one that you're going to see get the most response from. And I promise you, on my word, majority of the response that you're going to get is thank you so much for doing this. So that's all I have for you guys today. Good luck on your fundraising. And again, me and my team are here to support you every single step of the way. So if there's anything you need, please give us a call, give us an email. give us a text message. We're here to cheer you on all the way to that start line and that finish line.